Hello, students. Welcome back. Welcome to a new session today. So, what's new for this session? So, in this session, we are learning how to greet people. I am sure you have been greeting people when you meet them for the very first time, or you're meeting, or maybe very, early in the morning, or maybe, sometime later. So, what are the ways to greet your people formally and informally? So, with this video, you will be able to greet your friends, your colleagues, your boss very, very comfortably. And it's very easy to do that. And you will also learn that with the help of few different words, how effective greetings you can make, and you can make your presence really effective. So, are we ready for the same? So, let's get started. So now let's see first, how do we formally, greet people when we are meeting them for the very first time or very first time in of the day. So if you're meeting a person in the morning, we can say, "Hi, good morning." If we're meeting a person in the afternoon, we can say, "Hi, good afternoon." Or we are meeting in late evening, we can say, "Hey, good evening. How are you doing?" Right? So maybe let's say you're meeting a person after 8 p.m. Still, you can greet the person by saying good evening. We never greet a person by good night. Right? So if you're meeting in any daytime here, depending upon what time you are greeting, you can use good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Right? So next, how can we greet people? We can say, "Hi, how are you?" "Hi, how are you doing?" "Oh, hi, it's nice to meet you." "It's good to see you again." "Pleased to meet you." "Hey, how have you been doing?" Or "How have you been?" Right? So these are few words, a few, greetings with which you can make your impression really, really effective. Right? Now, what are the formal ways to say goodbye or bye? You can always say, "Oh, it was nice to see you again." The answer could be, "You too." "Okay, bye, take care." "Oh, have a good day, have a good week," or maybe "Have a wonderful weekend, have a good weekend, have a wonderful trip, have a good trip." That's how you can also, greet people if you are taking their bye. "Hey, good day. See you later. See you soon," or "Talk to you later." "I look forward to our next meeting." That's how you are extending your meeting for future. This is also one of the intelligent way in case you are a person of sales, marketing, or maybe you are a person who is looking forward for the next meeting from that person. You can always say, "Hey, I look forward for our next meeting," or "to our next meeting." "Oh, pleasure meeting you." Right? So this is also one of the ways to say goodbye formally. Now let's say how informally we can say hi. Let's say I'm meeting my friend or one of my, or my peer. So how can I greet that person? I'll be saying, "Hey." So this "hey" is not used formally. It is always used informally. "Hey, what's up?" So these days, this is in trend. So how could your answer be? Your answer could be, "Hey, no, not much," or "Hey, that's all," right? "Hey, long time no see," right? So that's how also you can say if you're meeting a person after a long time. So how your answer could be? Your answer could be, "Hey, yes, it's been a while." "How it's doing? How it's going?" So your answer could be, "Hey, it's pretty good." Or "You?" Or "Not bad. What about you?" Right? So that's how you can make your conversation extended. "Hey, how are you?" So pretty good. "And you?" So these are the ways to say informally hi. Now, how to say informally bye? "See you later." So the answer could be "yeah," or maybe, yeah, later. Or later, see ya, take care. These are also one of the ways to say bye. Yeah, or you can say catch you later if you are going too late or you're running late. You can say, oh, I gotta go, or or I'll catch you later. I gotta go. So gotta go is I have to go. So that's a short form of I have to go is gotta go. So I hope with this video now you will be greeting your friends in innovative way and you'll be able to create a nice impression on them. So till then, wait for our next video and please take care of yourself. Happy learning.